to transfer money from Cash App to Wells Fargo. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to transfer your money from your Cash App account to your Wells Fargo account. So for that, just open your Cash App account, and after that just click on the profile icon from the top right, and here just scroll down and click on link banks, and after that just tap on link debit card, and now just click on no cards from the bottom left, and after that just click on continue on this page. And here on the search bar you have to search for your Wells Fargo account if you don't find it in the list given below, and just click on it. And now just mention that you are not a robot, and after that just click on continue to log in, and it will redirect you to the Wells Fargo official website where you have to mention your username and your password and just log into your account. Once you're logged into your account, your Cash App account will be automatically linked to your Wells Fargo account. And once both the accounts are linked, just come back to your home screen and click on the banking icon from the bottom. And here you will see these options like add cash and cash out. All you have to do is just enter the amount, and above that you will see the cash balance that you have in your Cash App account. So in order to transfer the money, you should have some balance in your Cash App account. As you can see that I don't have any balance in my account right now. So once you have the balance, just click on cash out, and on the next page you have to mention the amount of the funds that you want to withdraw. Then you will be able to transfer your money from your Cash App account to your Wells Fargo account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.